Every year, people make big promises. I will change. I will work harder. I will become successful. But most people say these words only on the last day of the year and forget them 2 days later. That is why their life changes only on the calendar, not in reality. But you are different. You are watching this video because something inside you is awake. A fire, a desire, a quiet voice whispering, I want a better life. I want a stronger mind. I want to grow. This video will help you protect that desire and turn it into action. Today, I will share 7 life-changing hobbies that can make 2026 the most powerful year of your life. These hobbies are not ordinary. They are growth hobbies, mindset hobbies, success hobbies. If you follow even one of them, your life will rise. If you follow all 7, your life will transform. So sit back, listen slowly, and let these words enter your heart. Because 2026 will not become a better year unless you become a better person. Hobby 1. Reading, the habit that builds your mind. Reading is not just a hobby. It is a superpower. When you open a book, you open a doorway into another person's thoughts, ideas, and lessons. What took them 10 or 20 years to learn, you can learn in 1 week. Books teach quietly. They guide without shouting. They give wisdom without asking anything in return. You do not need 1 hour of reading. Just 10 minutes a day can strengthen your mind, improve your English, grow your vocabulary, and make you more confident. Books teach you patience, focus, and discipline. Finishing even 1 book builds self-respect. If you want a sharper mind in 2026, start reading now. Any book that makes your thoughts better is a good book. Motivation, psychology, English stories, graded readers, biographies. Choose anything that helps you grow. A strong mind creates a strong life. And reading is the best workout for your mind. Hobby 2. Journaling, the habit that clears your heart. Life becomes heavy when everything stays inside your mind. Stress, fear, worry, they take up space and make you feel tired. But journaling gives your emotions a place to rest. When you write, the confusion in your mind becomes clearer. Your fears become smaller. Your dreams become real. You don't need perfect English. You don't need long essays. Just 5 minutes of truth every day. Write about what you feel, what you want, what scares you, what you are grateful for, what you learned today. These small pages become a map of your inner world. You begin to understand yourself. You begin to heal. You begin to grow. Start simple. Write honestly. And watch your heart become lighter day by day. Hobby 3. Fitness, the habit that transforms your energy. Fitness changes your life from the inside out. When your body becomes stronger, your mind becomes stronger. When your energy is high, your motivation becomes high. You do not need a gym. You do not need equipment. You only need 20 minutes of movement. Walk, stretch, do push-ups, follow a home workout, do yoga. Anything. Movement creates momentum. Momentum creates discipline. Discipline creates success. Fitness reduces stress, improves sleep, increases focus, and boosts confidence. A strong body helps you chase your dreams with power. Make 2026 the year you take care of your body. Because a strong body gives you a strong life. Hobby 4. Learning a skill, the habit that opens new doors. Skills are the new power. Skills create freedom. Skills create opportunities. When you learn one valuable skill, your entire future becomes wider. Learn English. Learn public speaking. Learn writing. Learn editing. Learn design. Learn coding. Learn anything that makes you valuable. Choose one skill, not 10. Focus. Practice daily. Even 20 minutes is enough. Break the skill into tiny steps. Learn slowly. Practice often. Track your progress. Use it in real life. Every new skill makes you more confident and more capable. In 2026, let your skill be the reason you rise. Hobby 5. Meditation, the habit that calms the noise. Your mind is noisy. Thoughts come fast. Stress grows quietly. Emotions push you around. Meditation teaches you to sit still, breathe slowly, and return to yourself. You only need 5 minutes. Sit comfortably. Close your eyes. Breathe in. Breathe out. When your mind wanders, gently return to the breath. That's it. This simple practice increases focus, reduces stress, and strengthens emotional control. You become calmer, wiser, and more patient. Make meditation your daily reset. Your quiet place. Your moment of peace. Peace is not something you find outside. It is something you build inside. Hobby 6. Digital minimalism, the habit that frees your time. Your phone is not the problem. Your habits are. Every notification steals a small piece of your attention. Every scroll steals a small piece of your life. Digital minimalism teaches you to control your phone instead of letting your phone control you. Start with simple steps. Times turn off non-important notifications. Times remove apps that waste time. Times set screen time limits. Times keep your phone away during work, study, and before sleep. Times replace scrolling with reading, journaling, or learning. If you save even 1 hour a day, that is 365 hours in a year. More than 15 full days. Imagine what you could create in that time. 2026 should be the year you reclaim your focus. Hobby 7. Creating something, the habit that builds your identity. Most people only consume. They watch videos, scroll feeds, read posts, but they never create anything. Creation is where confidence is born. Write something. Record something. Make art. Start a small blog. Share your thoughts. Build something that comes from your own mind. Creation makes you courageous. It teaches you to express, experiment, and improve. It gives you a voice. Even 10 minutes a day is enough to begin. Your first creation will not be perfect, but it will be progress, and progress is the seed of greatness. In 2026, don't just consume the world. Create something in it. Closing message. Powerful ending. These 7 hobbies are not just activities. They are tools. They are habits. They are steps toward a better, stronger version of you. Reading sharpens your mind. Journaling clears your heart. Fitness boosts your energy. Skill learning creates opportunities. Meditation brings peace. Digital minimalism gives you time. Creation builds your identity. You don't need a new year to change your life. You need a new decision. Make that decision now. Because 2026 will not be different unless you become different. Your new life starts with one small habit today.